Special colours. The Ricoh Pro C7200SX series offers the ability to print additional colours other than the standard CMYK colours. Innovative fifth station colour printing adds incredible versatility, creating a greater impact on a wide range of applications. Fluorescent colours, neon pink and neon yellow, create vivid colours that are difficult to reproduce with only CMYK colours. Eye-catching effects are achievable with these additional colours. Compared to offset printing, it is easy to achieve an opaque white in one pass with white toner. You can switch the black and white development unit positions or print order, which enables printing white first, making applications that use coloured or metallic media far more productive. Clear Gloss Toner provides more value-added applications such as spot gloss, flood and watermarks, ideal for a wide range of applications, including catalogues, postcards, direct mail, posters and packaging. UV Invisible Red Toner enables you to create applications with hidden detail, which only becomes visible under a specific wavelength of UV light. These special colours can be easily switched by customers to provide great flexibility. You can dramatically increase your productivity and reduce your costs for high-value print applications with the special colours.